Week 10 it is. We're in double digits. We are going to week 10, believe it or not, we've made it into double digits. When I think about counting weeks, I think about my daughter because she tells me every week how many Mondays are left till Christmas. I don't know if any of y'all are keeping up with that, but she is very much into when is Christmas, when is Christmas, when is Christmas. So if you're counting down the weeks like she is, you can probably email me and tell me, or maybe that'll be a good challenge to figure out how many Mondays until Christmas. Anyway, back to math. We are going to take a short break from ratios and proportions this week. We're going to go into area and circumference of circles the first half of the week, and then by the end of the week, we're going to get back to proportions, and we'll be on proportions for a little while, but a new style of ratios and proportions. So hopefully you will not find it too complicated. The area and circumference of circles should be a review, and then by the end of the week, hopefully we can make it easy and easily progress into percent proportions and equation proportions and all that kind of good stuff. So hope you have a great week, and hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, reach out to me.